Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Java array manipulation can be tricky, but we will solve this code segment fast. Let's trace the logic to find the final printed output together. First, notice the code uses a temporary variable to swap elements from the front and back of the array. This standard algorithm is designed to reverse the entire sequence of numbers. The array length is 7, so the limit variable becomes 3 after integer division. This means our loop runs exactly 3 times, swapping the first 3 pairs of elements and values. Reversing 7.0, 3.0, and 5.0 to the front yields option E. It perfectly mirrors our original array. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.